Hey there! In today's quick guide, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a page in Google Sites, step by step, in just a few clicks. Whether you're building a website for work, school, or personal projects, this trick will save you tons of time. First, open your Google site and head over to the Pages tab on the right-hand sidebar. This is where all your site pages are neatly listed. Find the page you want to copy and click the three-dot menu next to it. From the options, select Duplicate Page. Instantly, Google Sites creates a copy of your page, naming it Copy of Original Page Name. You can easily click on the page name to rename it whatever you like, keeping your site organized. Once your duplicated page is ready, don't forget to click Publish so all changes go live on your site. And that's it. Your new page is ready to go, saving you the hassle of recreating content from scratch. Duplicating pages in Google Sites is that simple. And now you can effortlessly expand your website without starting over. Give it a try on your own site and see how much time it can save. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to experiment with duplicating pages and organizing your site. It's a game changer for productivity.